Hey, what's up, guys? Now, I've had a couple people ask me why I haven't been doing any tool truck flyers lately, and the reason has been is because I'm trying to pay my bill down. I'm trying not to buy anything, but I went ahead and jumped on and tried to see if I was rehabilitated enough to just get this flyer and get off the truck. Now, I almost talked myself into buying a Dewalt 60-volt leaf blower, but I talked myself out of it. I came out largely unscathed, but I did get a new hat. So $30, and I went ahead and paid for it. I'm trying to pay my bill down, trying to get out of debt with these guys, and hopefully I can keep it that way. But what I picked up was the October 28th to November 24th, 2019 flyer, and I also picked up the holiday flyers. Now, in the interest of time and to save you some time, I'm going to do two different videos. I'm just going to do this real quick, and then I'll post the other one right directly after it, the holiday flyer. And that way it'll be two quick videos that you can watch at your own convenience. So let's go ahead and get started. On the front cover, we see they have the 12-volt drill and the 12-volt impact driver. And they're saying that you can save big on this combo kit. Buy one, get one. Save $69.99. Turn in to see. So we'll go to the first page, and there it is on the first page. You see the price. You get two 2-amp-hour batteries. Comes with a charger, bag, two 2-amp-hour batteries, the drill, and the impact driver for $399.99. The tool number is MCK211G2, and when you buy that, you get the free rechargeable wireless sound bar. So if you was looking for the 12-volt Mac and you wanted to get a free sound bar, this may be your time to buy. And I was actually looking at those when I was on the truck, and even on the batteries, man, the 12-volt batteries, it has powered by Dewalt. So, I mean, it's up to you. If you like Mac, then I'm not dogging nobody. Down here, we have a 123-piece ratcheting bit driver set with ergonomic Mac grip for $99.99. So that actually doesn't seem like it's a bad deal to me. They're claiming you save $56 over the regular price. So if you was looking for a good ratcheting screwdriver set, then this may be your set. Now we have here the Mac Tools MDT10 scan tool. And once again, they don't give you the price on these big priced items, but I went ahead and looked this thing up. And the price tag comes in at $4,999. It comes included with 12 months free diagnostic software, which they give you full color wiring diagrams and everything else. So I don't know what the price would be after that, but after your 12 months, you probably would lose access to a lot of things, and you would have to purchase that probably on a yearly subscription plan. They may do monthly, I don't know exactly. But this also has a wireless VCI, so, and I think they claim you can run around up to 30 feet and still be able to connect to your VCI. So we can see when we compare that to the Zurich or to some Autel scan tools, these are pretty expensive, but they are really nice. I haven't used the MDT10, obviously, but I did own a Snap-on Varus, and the Varus is nice, man. They are really nice, but the one I had, man, it was just way too slow, and I ended up selling it. And I'm not the best diagnostic person in the world by far, but I did kind of understand some of the basics of using these scan tools and scopes. Let's go to the next page. And I also was checking this out. This is the 1/4-inch cordless ratchet kit. It comes with two 2-amp-hour batteries. You see the price, $379.99. The tool number is BRS025-D2. And when you buy that, they're giving you an extra free 2-amp-hour battery with that. Those are pretty nice. And that's another thing I say about DeWalt. I can't understand why DeWalt doesn't offer a cordless ratchet, which is one of the reasons why I've kind of got away from DeWalt. And right below that, we have a 750 Lumen Pro Stick rechargeable articulating light. It comes in at $129.99. And when you buy that, they're giving you the 200 lumen slim light for free. So you're basically getting a 2-for-1. So that'll put them both roughly at about $65 a piece, which still is a little expensive. But if you like those, then it's going to save you some money. They do look nice. They seem to be well built, but I don't have a bunch of experience with them. Over here we have a 4-piece standard stud puller set. You see it's coming in at $82.99. The tool number is SR4FA. When you buy that, they're giving you the 4-piece metric stud puller set for free. So if you was in need of some stud pullers, that would save you some money. $40 a piece. Actually a pretty good deal if you needed something like that. Then we have their patented anti-vibe hammer set, and you're getting 3 total hammers, a 16-ounce ball peen hammer, a 48-ounce dead blow hammer, and a 4-pound sledgehammer. Now, I don't know if you've ever used those hammers, but those hammers actually are pretty nice. And the anti-vibe technology we see here, they're giving you a little glimpse of what it is, but it actually does work. They are really good hammers. Whether or not you think they're worth $139 for 3 of them, that will be on you. And on this page, we have the Expert Socket Bundle, $109.99. You're getting a 12-piece 3/8 drive standard deep impact socket set 6-point, and you're also getting the 12-piece 3/8 drive standard impact socket set 6-point. So you're getting short and deep impact sockets standard for $109.99. So you're looking at about $55 a piece. That's not too bad. Expert is Mac Tools second down, and this is what I said in the past about Craftsman, that I believe that Craftsman should be right here. That should be a Craftsman set, but Stanley Black & Decker has decided to go a different route with Craftsman. And I had a few people, you know, say I was silly for saying that because Mac Tools has Proto already. Proto is not Mac Tools second down. Proto is an industrial grade from Stanley Black & Decker. Expert, Silver Eagle, those are off-brand Mac Tools on the Mac Tools truck. So Proto is an industrial grade tool line. Down here we have a 25-piece 1/2-inch drive metric impact socket set 6-point. You're getting sizes 10 through 36 for $200. So that's a pretty complete set right there. Over here, you're getting a 28-piece 1/2-inch drive combination standard impact socket set, 6-point. That's coming with sizes 7/16 all the way through 1.25 inches. That's going to run you $209.99, and they both come with the socket rails. This is probably another tool that I need to purchase, and that's one reason why I'm staying off the truck, because there's always a tool that you need, always a tool that you want to get. You can never have too many tools. I mean, you see guys been going to the tool trucks for 20 years and they're still going on there picking stuff off, coming off with it. It's a never-ending battle. So that's why I'm trying to stay off of the trucks for a while till I feel like I'm in control enough to not just keep impulse buying every time I get on there, spending anywhere between $300 to $500 every single time. But these are something that I feel like you really need something, and you need a high quality. This is a 26-inch axis 1/2-inch drive flex head ratchet. We see here this is the locking flex head coming in at $239.99, and this is the axis flex head comfort grip non-locking $219.99. So you see that is pretty pricey, but those are high quality ratchets. And when you're dealing with something like that, a 25-inch, you're going to be putting some pressure on that. You're going to be putting some serious torque on that. You're going to be abusing that. So you do want something high quality right there, in my opinion. Down here we have a deluxe utility cart, $299.99. They're claiming you save $70. So I guess that's not too bad of a deal. You see, it's just a 1-drawer utility cart. You could buy the similar one from Harbor Freight for $90, the US General, and that's actually not too bad. I mean, it is chintzy, it is wobbly, it is not a professional cart by any means, but it's a pretty decent cart for the money. So they have black, red, blue, green, and orange here. I don't know what color I would have to choose from that. Maybe blue, maybe black. I'm pretty simple. I don't get into the high vis colors like green and orange, but if you're into that, you know, everybody's got their own preference. And we also see that these ratchets are made in the USA. So they are claiming that there, but not claiming made in the USA on a lot of other things. I don't know if that means it's not made in the USA or not. Over here we have an 8-piece heavy-duty bearing race and seal driver set. When you buy that for $274.99, you're getting 3-pound anti-vibe drilling hammer for free. The tool number on that is LG1900. Let's go back. I can give you these tool numbers. Expert tool number EXP-SAE-BDL. The 26-piece metric set half-inch drive is E04-1638. The standard is E04-1640. Mac Tools Axis Ratchet locking flex head is VR2690LFPA. The half-inch non-locking flex head is VR2690FPA. The utility cart number is MB100UC. Now we're back over here and we have a 9-piece turbo air system test kit and a 13-piece turbo system leak detection set. The leak detection set tool number is L69700. The turbo air system test kit is L69900. And we have an 8.8 liter fluid evacuator slash dispenser coming in at $140.99, tool number MV7201A. Over here we have the Millennion HD Pro, a new generation heavy-duty DPF tool specifically designed for the North American market. And we see the price on that is $599.99. It includes a diagnostic table, adapters, user manual, memory card, a memory card reader, USB cable. That tool number is ETHDM. Then over here we have new 12 volt, 6 amp, and 15 amp battery chargers. The 12 volt 6 amp coming in at $99.99, tool number MBC126A. The 12 volt 15 amp battery charger coming in at $124.99, tool number MBC12115A. Down here we have some oil filter wrenches, heavy duty strap wrench, $34.99, tool number L60200. We have a truck swivel oil filter wrench, 5 1/4 to 5 3/4, coming in at $20.99, tool number OF991. Truck swivel oil filter 4 5/16 to 4 3/4, coming in at $18.19, tool number OF969. Then we have a 2-piece diesel injector puller set, $55.99, tool number S115KP. And over here we have a Mac Tools Precision Torque 12-piece 3/8 drive metric spline socket set. They claim the unique spline design allows sockets to work with multiple styles of fastener, including 4-point, 6-point, 12-point, spline, and Torx. And it's coming in at $166.99. So when you buy that, you're getting the 1/4 inch set for free. And the tool number on that is SXM12SBRPT. And the tool number on the chrome 1/4 inch socket set is SMM12SBRPT. Now, as with always, you don't get these deals when you order online for some reason. I don't understand it, but they only offer these deals if you're on a tool truck. And then right below that, we have a 3/4 inch electronic torque and angle wrench, which ranges from 30 to 600 foot-pounds. And we see that's coming in at $1,299.99. They're claiming that you save $600 on that. And then below that, we have the 5-pound Slidehammer puller set coming in at $155.99. Now, the Harbor Freight video I just did had the new 5-pound Slidehammer kit that they were selling with a coupon for $50. Now, this set, man, I would probably guess that this set is probably an OTC set. I don't know 100%, but the OTC set I have is a great Slidehammer kit, and it's $100, so it's $50 less without the Mac Tools name. The tool number on that is PS999B. And right next to that, it has a digital depth gauge with fractions coming in at $19.99. Tool number DTDG2. Now we're coming to their close, so we're coming to an end. Man, this hat looks cool. I wish I would have seen that hat. I may end up just buying that hat. Pretty cool looking hat. And we see that hat right now is on sale for $19.99. They have the belt. coming in at $19.99. The Patriotic Eagle tee. We have the Mac Tools Bobber Kings tee. Then we have your flannel shirts, if you're into flannel, Al Borland and whatnot. Big Rig button down, coming in at $39.99. The flannel is coming in at $39.99 as well. Rock and Rod plaid flannel coming in at $49.99. A wooden wall mounted bottle opener, $19.99. That might be worth it. That's pretty cool. Then we're coming in at the women's clothes. Real women smell like diesel. Got some women's hats, women's beanies. Then we have some kids' hat, a kids' truck puzzle, and some toys for the kids. And here we are on the back. We have the Bubba Blade Mossy Oak Turkinator 6-inch blade. That's coming in at $44.99, claiming you save $15. This is a 20-volt max 1/4-inch hex drive, brushless impact driver, bare tool, $179.99. They're claiming 250 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. But as I say, that's a bare tool. The tool number on that is MCF886. The tool number on that knife, if you're interested, is BB16TKM. Then we have the locking Parrot pliers 9-inch set coming in at $27.99. We can see the unique design. They claim that that design will allow you to grip a multitude of different styles of fasteners and rounded nuts a lot easier. The tool number on that is PARP9. Below that, we have the Pro Stick 500 Lumen Rechargeable COB LED Ultra Slim Light. And that comes in 3 colors, green, orange, or red for $99.99. And right beside that, coming in last, we have the 2-piece high leverage cutter set, $109.99. And those are just Knipex high leverage cutters with the Mac Tools name printed on the handle. And you can get it a lot cheaper if you order the Knipex online, which is the way I prefer to buy my Knipex. Knipex. So as I said, I'm going to go ahead and do the holiday flyer as well, but in a separate video in an effort to save you as much time as possible. So I appreciate you watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go down and subscribe below because I do videos like this, including tool reviews, projects, tips, tricks, and a welding series coming up real soon. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, subscribe below. I appreciate you watching. Until next time, y'all take it easy.